Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. And guys, look how many super bosses we have. Oh my goodness, we have 50 super bosses in this island. Or in this sea. I was surprised to find that out earlier. I thought it was only like 35 like the last one. And apparently we have 50. It's crazy. So we are going to do 5 super bosses in this video to make things not too long. And with that said, guys, I think I am going to use a stronger Pokemon for this battle. I'm not sure if this is strong enough. Skydrop probably is a grappler thing. And we're gonna put ourselves, give him a superpower gear. Switch. And let's just equip one more Pokemon with something, just in case something not so good happens. We're going to I don't know. Give another Pokemon a chance to shine. Probably this Giga Drain thing. No, it's too weak. Smog. Oh my goodness, so weak, guys, so weak. Just give him anything. That said, I think we're ready, guys. This is Aerodactyl. Or we're using Aerodactyl. This is Super Boss number 26. And let us go to battle. Skydrop, if I'm not mistaken, is like Stomp. Yes, it is. Stomp for one time was the OP move of the game. For one short period of time. Oh, come on. Boogum, 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 boogum. I don't think that hit him a lot. That was horrible. He's gonna charge towards me. I'm gonna run away. Ow! What the heck just happened? And why did you go there? Oh no, I cannot defeat him in less than 10 seconds now. Oh no, we're losing this. We're losing this, guys. We are losing this. This is bad. That was bad. Let's try again. Try again. Charge. Charge. Tug. 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 Oh, frick. I'm gonna use a summon gear now. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, that didn't hit a lot. That was horrible. That was horrible. Return to Balloon. That was super, super horrible, guys. That was not good at all. I'm going to make my life easier. I'm going to do this 2 times. One time is just to kill him with Pokemon from this island. The other time, I'm going to use a super effective Pokemon from another island. So, Zygarde. Charging. Hey, why do I lack one Chansey? There you go. There you go, guys. That is much better. I should have waited for him to summon before I use that, but it's okay. And we're gonna kill him. There you go. That was round 1. Just going to make my life easier. No points for not using the super effective move. And now, guys, I'm going to switch Pokemon and use a super effective move against him. That was Super Boss number 26. This again is Super Boss number 26. Going back. Switch. All. Filter by power. Gonna use my Mienshao high jump kick. What the heck just happened? Equip him with Grappler. And same thing, I'm just going to give him an Outrage gear just to make things faster. Battle. Why can't I press battle? And there you go. Snorlax. Immediately using this and immediately using that super effective thing. Good. Using another outrage. Just making this faster. And he's dead. He is dead. And that's it. 3 stars. 3 goals attained. Done with this fight. That was Super Boss number 26. We're moving on to Super Boss number 27. Nidoking is weak against Ground, Water, Psychic, Ice. I wonder if we have Ground, Psychic, Ice, and what's the other one? Ground, Water, Psychic, Ice. We don't have anything strong. It's fine. Let's just give him a Grappler. Let's just give him a nice Summon Gear. This one stops the opponent's actions for a certain period of time. Battle. Hopefully, this is a much easier battle than the earlier one. He is stunned. He is stunned. He is stunned. And let me just stun you again. Boogum, boogum, boogum. And I think he's going to die in the next few seconds. Die, 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 and die. Whoa, you're still alive. Die, 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 and goodbye. That was Super Boss number 27, guys. On to Super Boss number 28. It's Zapdos once again. Zapdos electric, flying, weak to rock. And what else? And ice, guys. Weak to rock and ice. We have Rock Blast over here, but it's not exactly strong base CP at 840. Let's just give him a Lobber. Rock and ice. Rock and ice. We can give him a Head Smash gear, but to make things easy for us, let's give him an Outrage gear. so that we have the first attack. Let me just dash toward Zapdos. Use Outrage. What? What? What the heck happened? Again, guys. Again. Whoa. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. Dug, 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 dug. So nice. You charge towards me, I attack you. Dug, 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 dug. Dug, dug. Lubber time, lubber. Hey, why isn't my lubber working now? Lub, 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 lub. 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 And I finish you off with Outrage. Goodbye. Super Boss number 28 is dead. Moving on, guys. Super Boss number 29 is Machamp. And I think we have the perfect Pokemon for that. Our fully equipped were we using a Zapdos earlier? Gonna switch Aerodactyl, not Zapdos. We can still use this stored power gear. Switch to him. Battle. Snorlax. Thank you for being together. I hope this destroys your shield. No, it didn't. What? What the? No. What the heck? That wasn't good. That wasn't good at all. I'm gonna prepare my charge. Let's just use it now. Wait a minute. Nothing? What the heck? Tempted to use my Hurricane gear this time. Let's try again. Immediately using stored power. Hey! There you go. You're flinching now. I hope you don't go to shield mode. Just do your next thing. There you go. And now he's in shield mode. I hate this. Charge! Good. 5, 6, 7. You're dead. Super Boss 29 is dead. And guys, on to Super Boss number 30. What the heck just happened? It's a Ho-Oh! 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 Switch. Switch to my Rack Blast. You're weak to electric. I'm going to use my favorite summon gear on you. Volt Tackle. Super duper favorite. summon gear. Very strong. Probably will be replaced by Aqua Jet when I get Aqua Jet. But for the meantime, this is my favorite summon gear. Such a shame that you need to charge it up. Ow! Wow. Wow. I got killed. How dare he kill me? How dare you kill me? How dare you kill me? Let me run away. Oh my goodness, that is scary. Scary as heck. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, my HP. My HP. Let me kill you right now. There you go. And with that said, this enemy is dead. Super boss number 30 is dead. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys with Super Bosses 31 to 35 in the next video.